Oh, hi. Hey, welcome to HSTS, the History of Outer Space. I'm Bob Pecknow, and I will be your captain for the trip, so to speak. Um, this is a very interesting course. We're going to cover a lot of the different interactions between humans and outer space, starting with early humans and astronomy and some of the reasons that they went outside and looked up and started to catalog the stars and learn a little bit about the cycles of the stars. And then slowly but surely, the more they cataloged and the more they learned, the more there was these nagging mysteries, and those nagging mysteries led to someone asking the right question. And pretty soon, Earth went from being the center of the universe to one small dot in a vast ocean. And we're going to follow that development in this course, and we're going to do it from a couple different ways. We're going to look at both astronomy on Earth and then how it moved into space and space telescopes. We're going to look at the robotic exploration of the solar system, how rocketry led to our ability to first to weaponize and then to use for peaceful purposes to get to outer space, and then some of the things that we did once we got there, the human exploration of space as well, and the Cold War and the politics around that. And then we're going to talk about space business, space commerce, global satellites, GPS, navigation, weather satellites, military uses of space, some of the politics of space. And then, of course, we can't do the course without talking a little bit about aliens and the history of how that's impacted society and what people believe and how that has evolved over time, and a little bit about UFO religions that have developed in the late 20th century. So it should be kind of an interesting course, and we're going to touch on a lot of things on the surface. I'd love to go into depth in all of them, and perhaps we will in future courses. So stay tuned if you like this one. In this class, we're going to have a series of assignments. First, there will be weekly quizzes. This is sort of a good summary of the stuff that's been done that week. They will only be about that particular week. The next piece will be discussion board assignments. There are 4 of them, and they will have you, one doing an observation assignment, one will have you do look at rocketry explosions and failures and some of the root causes why that happened. One will look at the legal issues, and you'll take a side on a space case, so to speak, and be an international justice and talk about that. And then the last discussion board assignment, you'll craft a message for extraterrestrials. So it should be kind of fun. There's a group mission assignment, which is due week 7. You're going to partner with 5 of your classmates, and you're going to create your own proposal for a space mission to one of the planets in our solar system using existing technology, things that have already been flown, and so we'll talk about that. And then there will be a research paper for the course, and that is going to be a good 4 to 5 page paper on a topic of your choice. This doesn't have to be a painful assignment. It can be a lot of fun. I'm leaving the topic open, but it's first come, first serve. So as soon as you come up with something that you want to do, you want to post it on the discussion board under that project. And there's more instructions on each of these, of course, as the weeks go along in Canvas, and you can read ahead. I have all of them open already for everyone. So that's it about the course. I'm always available. You're welcome to email me at any time. We can set up a Google Hangout. We can set up a Skype session if you want. I want to be there for you. All of this stuff is pretty well straightforward, but if there's questions. The slides are going to be done in Presenter. I've done the narrations already in the PowerPoint, and then they'll put them into Presenter. eCampus will. And that should be ready for you now. And I have to redo them every term because there's so many things that happened in outer space every week. Every 10 weeks, I have to redo it because something new has been discovered. We discovered a planet in the last 10 weeks. How crazy is that? So very, very constant updates in this field, you might want to go to spacedaily.com. That's in the information there, and sign up for the newsletter. You'll be amazed at how much happens in the space arena every day. All right, so that's all for the course, and I look forward to meeting you. The first week you have to do a discussion board introduction for yourself, and this is a 10-point sort of do the assignment, get the points, you know. I'm trying to help you out, give you a good start, and it helps me get to know who you are. Oh, and there's a pre-quiz. Don't look up the answers. Don't worry about getting it, well, I mean, try to get it right, but don't feel like this is for a grade assignment. This is an ungraded thing that just this is my way of seeing where the baseline of the class is, sort of what the general beliefs are. And this helps me to design the course to speak to those issues, which I will. So hope everyone is well, and I'm glad you're taking the course, and I look forward to meeting you over the next 10 weeks.